For me, Observation Copilot has helped me to streamline and speed up the teacher feedback process. In the past, it's taken me up to 2 weeks to get the final report written, identify areas of strength and weakness, and then finally sit down and be able to have the meeting with the teacher to go over it, which is a long time after a lesson to try to refer back and reflect on a lesson that's 2 weeks old is is difficult. So using Observation Copilot, I'm able to organize the notes that I take during the lesson into summaries about the different dimensions in the background while I get straight to the work of rating the lesson on the rubric and the true power of the process, which is identifying areas of strength and weakness throughout teachers so that I can begin coaching them in the things that I've identified that could improve their teaching if we're able to make some slight adjustments to what they're doing. For me, my workflow using Observation Copilot is really simple. I type my notes directly into the system while I'm also taking a voice recording of the lesson on my phone. Then I generate a transcript of that lesson. I drop it into the box that's available on Observation Copilot now for that and have it generate the analysis while I work on beginning to rate the lesson. So once that analysis is generated and I've rated the lesson, I then have all of the summaries based on my notes that I need to be able to go ahead and create the report and quickly return it to that teacher. So for me, I think the part that has made the biggest change in my process really is being able to type straight in there and have it generate the analysis, basically just organizing my notes in a way that I would have had to do, but it saves me hours of work. I think for me, if I was going to be in a conversation where I was trying to talk with another principal about using AI to assist in observations and they were skeptical, I would really explain that I used to be one of them, that I felt like using AI would be cheating my teachers in some way because it would appear that it was generating their observation. But as I began to play with different tools and eventually found Observation Copilot, which is my favorite by far, I figured out that it's not cheating, it's working smarter. I'm taking a system that's doing the work of just analyzing my notes and organizing them into chunks that address the dimensions and domains of the observation rubric rather than wasting honestly literally hours of my own time doing that. So by doing it, I not only am speeding up the feedback process, I'm freeing myself up to be in the classrooms, to be out interacting with my students and my teachers, to be doing the true work of the principal rather than being locked in an office while I'm organizing notes over a lesson that I already took, that I already watched the lesson and already know what I saw in that lesson. So I'm not reinventing the wheel. I'm just allowing it to happen in the background while I read the lesson. And I think that's been the biggest value of Observation Copilot is I'm in my building, I'm more present, I'm in the moments, and I'm seeing all the little things. I'm seeing more instruction on a daily basis than just the true formal observation, which gives me a much more informed and clear picture of all of my staff.